10 Secrets and Tips to Grow Tons of Chilies. Chilies are not only a popular ingredient in various cuisines, but also a rewarding plant to grow in your garden. Cultivating chilies can be an enjoyable and satisfying experience, especially when you achieve a bountiful harvest. If you're looking to boost your chili production and create a thriving garden, we've compiled 10 secrets and tips to help you grow tons of chilies. Let's dive in. Choose the right varieties. Selecting the right chili varieties is crucial for a successful harvest. Consider factors such as the climate in your area, available space, and personal preference for heat levels. Varieties like jalapenos, habaneros, and Thai peppers are popular choices that grow well in diverse climates. Start with quality seeds. Ensure you begin with high-quality chili seeds to give your plants a strong foundation. Choose reputable seed suppliers and consider heirloom or organic seeds for better flavor and disease resistance. Starting from seeds also provides you with a wider range of options than purchasing seedlings. Provide adequate sunlight. Chilies thrive in warm and sunny conditions. Ensure they receive at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight each day. Optimal sunlight exposure will enhance fruit production and overall plant growth. If you have limited sunlight in your garden, consider growing chilies in containers that can be moved to sunnier spots. Provide well-draining soil. Chilies prefer well-draining soil to prevent waterlogging, which can lead to root rot. Amend your garden soil with organic matter such as compost or well-rotted manure to improve drainage and fertility. Additionally, a slightly acidic soil pH between 6.0 and 6.8 is ideal for chili plants. Water regularly. Consistent watering is essential for chili plants, but they don't tolerate overwatering. Aim to keep the soil consistently moist, but not saturated. Water deeply, allowing the top layer of soil to dry out slightly between watering sessions. Mulching around the plants can help retain moisture and reduce weed growth. Implement proper spacing. To allow adequate airflow and prevent the spread of diseases, ensure you space your chili plants appropriately. Follow the spacing recommendations provided by the seed supplier or refer to general guidelines, typically around 18 to 24 inches apart. Proper spacing promotes healthy growth and higher yields. Feed with balanced fertilizers. Chilies are heavy feeders, especially during their fruiting stage. Incorporate balanced organic fertilizers into the soil before planting and continue regular feeding throughout the growing season. High phosphorus fertilizers promote flowering and fruit development. Alternatively, you can use compost tea or seaweed extract as natural fertilizers. Prune for enhanced growth. Pruning chili plants can stimulate growth and improve fruit production. Pinch off the tips of young plants to encourage branching and create a bushier plant. Remove any damaged or diseased foliage promptly. Regularly pruning also allows better sunlight penetration, reducing the risk of fungal diseases. Control pests and diseases. Keep a watchful eye for common chili pests like aphids, mites, and whiteflies. Use organic pest control methods like neem oil, insecticidal soaps, or companion planting to deter pests. Ensure good air circulation and avoid overhead watering to prevent fungal diseases such as powdery mildew and damping off. Harvest at the right time. Knowing when to harvest your chilies is crucial for maximum flavor and heat. Most chilies can be harvested when they reach their mature color, which is often red, yellow, or orange. However, if you prefer milder flavors, you can harvest them earlier when they are green. Use sharp scissors or pruners to avoid damaging the plant. Conclusion. Growing chilies is a rewarding and enjoyable gardening experience. By following these 10 secrets and tips, you can significantly increase your chili harvest. Remember to choose the right varieties, provide optimal growing conditions, maintain regular care, and harvest at the right time. With dedication and proper techniques, you'll soon be enjoying an abundant supply of homegrown chilies to spice up your favorite dishes. Happy gardening!